As seen on the screen, the China NEV retail sales fell below 1 million, with hybrids seeing the first ever year-on-year decline. Battery electric vehicles sold 607 units in July, up 24.5% increase year-on-year, and the pure hybrid and the EREVs sold 380 units, down 4.04% increase year over year. Now, hold on. What's happening in the market of China? The NIO CEO, said this, saw it coming. Said that there is going to be a point where people, or he believes that now it's a point where people are going to switch and go away with hybrid cars and just buy full electric vehicle. There is a story I read, I think on Friday. I just didn't want to probably do content about it, but there is a lady that bought an ET5 mid sedan, and she was saying she's so happy that she bought her very first ever full EV car. Now, what is happening in China right now? Because a lot of these companies are building infrastructure. NIO is one of the companies in the forefront when it comes to building infrastructure for EV cars, like charging and battery swapping. And because of that, it makes it easier for people now to go and buy full EV cars, because the anxiety that comes with not having enough chargers, it's slowly fading away in China. I mean, Li Auto, I think right now they've got more chargers than NIO. I think they have got almost 30,000 charging piles, or 30,000 chargers. And Li Auto, mind you, they were selling mostly hybrid cars. They just started now deploying their full EV cars, and it appears that the market for hybrid cars is slowly fading away, which is why companies like Li Auto have also been struggling now to really sell that well. I mean, Li Auto last month of July did not do that well in terms of the deliveries, and it was so shocking to see the drop that we saw from Li Auto. And I guess this shows you, or this shows us, that the market in China is changing. The fact that for the first time ever the hybrid car market in China dropped whilst the full EV car market in China rise, it shows you that people are starting to feel the confidence now of going to full EV cars, right? Here's the thing, something that you must know. XPeng last year announced that they will be launching hybrid cars, because they see, of course, the amount of sales that Li Auto was generating. But I think in China, the market for hybrid cars is almost coming to an end, and maybe outside of China it will still expand do very well, because apparently they are also launching a hybrid MPV that is going to be launched all over the world, right? It will be sold all over the world. But here's the thing now, something very interesting is that in China, hybrid, it's not, it looks like, or it appears that that market is starting to shrink the more people are buying full EV cars. And thanks to EV stocks or EV companies like NIO, they are making it possible for people to see that you don't need to worry about charging. You don't need to worry, because there's also swapping. You don't have to worry about not having enough chargers, because they're deploying, or they're one of the companies that is deploying lots and lots of chargers all over China, which is absolutely great and amazing and exciting. And this, my dear friends, when I read this article, I was very of course excited about when you could be in the future, because remember, the more the full EV car market grows, the more EV companies or car makers like NIO will do so well. So me, I am happy to see this. I know it's bad to some of the hybrid car producers like Li Auto. When you see the market dropping, or at least the numbers dropping on a year-on-year, it's not always good. But me, I believe that, look, for NIO it is good, because full EV cars grew by 24% increase year over year, whilst the hybrid cars shrink by 4.04% year on year. This is what we saw, and I believe that, look, man, we need to brace ourselves for what is coming, because I think that is the beginning, especially with also the large SUV market that NIO has penetrated. I think or what is coming in the future, it's still it's very much exciting, especially looking at our very EV stock NIO. I think we can brace ourselves, or we can easily brace ourselves for what's coming, because what's coming, I don't think a lot of people are ready to see. So I am happy, man. I am excited. Blue sky is coming, man. Those persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price, I'm quite certain that they will be rewarded with time. Look, I know, in as much as we know it's not yet profitable, I think everyone now sees the signs to say that, look, signs are there, signs are coming, and it's only the beginning, man. It is only the beginning. More great stuff are coming. Blue sky will most definitely come, and those persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. It gives me the confidence to go in the weekend, or this gives me the confidence to obviously start the week very well, because I know that the potential of NIO growing in China is galore, or it's confirmed, right? Because the market, or a lot of the consumers in China, they are becoming more comfortable buying full EV cars than hybrid cars. This is what it basically means. But anyways, let's wait, let's see. But this is what we saw, this is what is happening, and let's wait, let's see what transpires or what comes next. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.